Alright, today I will be teaching you how to use Kleki. So first of all, I'll go over the first tool that you'll start off with, the paintbrush. So easy enough, you just drag your mouse around by holding it, and there you can draw. And to switch out your color, here you have red, but like what if you want to go to blue? So just drag this, and now you have blue, and if you want to undo something, just click this button here. Now if you want to select a color that's like on your map, like let's say there's this kind of color, right? So first of all, you're going to want to right click this button, and now you can just do this easily. And to erase, you can just click this button over here, change the size, and I'll show you how layers work. So you click it, you make a new layer, right? For example, let's say on this layer I'm gonna want to make I want to make this now, right? Oh wait, hold up, let me show you something. So let's say I want to make something like this, right? But then on layer 1, I want to make something like this, and then you can just swap layers in between. And let's say I want to only color something from this single layer, right? So on layer 2, let's say I want to do something to one single layer now, right? So let's say I got this square, I shaded in blue. So now here's exactly what I want to do. We're going to go to layer 2. Oh wait, no, my bad. We don't make this blue. We're going to want to do that on layer 2. So first of all, on layer 2, we're going to want to make this blue. And now, let's say, so you're still on layer 2 now, right? So now you're going to want lock alpha on. And so look, now you only color in on this blue circle. So that's how you use the first part. Now let's say you want to make a shape or something. So click this. Now give a shape. If you want to make a square, you do this. If you want to make a line, you just do this. If you want to make a circle, you just drag outwards. Now if you want to make a full circle, just do this. And just a square that's filled in, just do this. Now, if you want to insert a file, like this first of all. Now, see here I put the world satellite imagery. So now, let's say, okay, now this, so now that's how you insert files now, right? You just click this button, select any file you want to put in. Alright, so now I'm gonna, there's not really, so now let's say you want to turn your screen around, just click this button, click the rotate button, then you have an upside down world map. Now here, when you go back here, you want to do text. Now you just write down your text like world map for me. And now it's just in the middle of the screen. But let's say you want the text here. So now if you zoom in, there'll be this little square here now, right? Now let's say you want it here. And you type in Italy. Right? So now let's say you want to bring the words, make the word smaller, so now you turn this like to 20 or something. 10 or something. Now you drag this here, and now you have Italy. So that's how the text part works. Now let's say you want to select anything. You're going to want to erase it. You can just simply fill it with something. And if you want to download it, just click this button, and then once you download it, you can just go in files and it'll show the file in the download section. And now if you want to do something, if you want to reset it, you can just click this new image button, choose how big it is, choose a starting color, just click OK, and here it is. Now let me explain this function. It's like a mist spray, like you know those spray cans? This is what it is, you know? And this, it's like kind of hard to explain. You just want to add this cool piece of art. Now this here, it's just like a retro-y line. There's nothing like, no um, backspread, backwash, or whatever. Now here, this tool, you just drag it around. You want to make a random shape like this. Okay, so now let me show you something cool now, right? So now first of all, get a bunch of colors here. Now you click this. This is the you just smudge the colors around. So it's kind of cool. So now here, simply erase. And there, that's how you use Kleki.